Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone, but I'm back. I had to pause on the cash stuffing videos, even though I did film a number 7 or a number 8, but my SD card got damaged while we were out on our anniversary trip, so that one is no longer with us, but I have another one coming this week, so stay tuned. In today's video, we are gonna open up some Happy Mail. I ordered some new binders and some more envelopes and some fun challenges, so let's open up the first one. I got 2 different challenges from Luxe Designs. This first one, oh my goodness, I wanted this one so freaking bad. This is the birthday mode, and I got it just the trackers. I didn't get the envelopes. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I know my birthday has already passed, but I mean, they were too cute to pass up when they became available again. I had to jump on it. Plus, I can use this for my husband's birthday, my kid's birthday. So that's why I just went ahead and got them, because look at it, it's just so cute. So there's a nails, a hair, and then like the total amount is right here. Random treat yourself birthday dinner. Love that. The next item I got, these were actually on sale on her website. I'm not sure if they're there anymore. These are mini monthly challenges. Each week of every month, we will put that money aside, and this is the total, and you can write your intention on there. I want to try to do this for a full year. I forgot the amount that this will equal up to, but I will go ahead and leave it somewhere on the screen. That was the first order. This next order is from Etsy. This is from the seller Gracefully Seeking. And this is a challenge with envelopes. Oh, this is probably one of the best freebies I've gotten thus far. It looks like a lot of stuff. I just ordered the challenges, so let's see what other things are in here. So cutesy. So we got a cute little Sharpie. Love that. Definitely goes with the aesthetic. Then we got some cute little paper clips, and they have little hearts on them. This is another one we're gonna have to open. Let's see what this is. God will direct your steps, Proverbs 16:9. I think this is like a little bookmark. That's cute. I can put this in my Bible. I love that. That's really cute. And then this is, we get another paper clip. Add that to the collection. God is within her, she will not fall. Psalms 46:5, and this is the seller. Thank you for supporting our small business. By shopping small, you are supporting our dream. Oh, 15% off your next order. That's cute. All right, so a little thank you card. Okay, and this one I ordered the trackers and the envelopes. So this is her Psalm collection, and this is going to help us save $500. She has this in pink and blue. I think those are the only 2 colors, but you can definitely check her out on Etsy. So they have the different amounts, and they have a Bible scripture, and they have section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then because I chose with the envelopes, this is how it would look in the binder. Just like that. And then we can put our money behind it, and we can color in our cross. That's cute. Okay, and this last package I have ordered from them before. This is from Beyond Brave Studio on Etsy. These are some freebies, and these actually came in my last order, so now I have like 3 or 4 sets of these now. I like the other binder that I got from them so much that I ordered 2 more because they were actually having a really good sale. I ordered 2 new binders in black and in nude. So essentially it's the same binder that I've ordered before. The only difference is that this one doesn't have her logo on it. And if you can remember last time, I really did appreciate that she had her logo back here, but these were also on sale. I got 2 of these for $40, but last time I ordered from her, my total was above $50. I remember I ordered like a binder and the bundle, but still for these to be $20, they were on a major discount, so I went ahead and got 2. I really want this one for my challenges, so I want to put all of my challenges in this black binder, and then I think this pink binder or the other one that's like a lighter pink, I am going to make it my personal binder. So yeah, stay tuned for that video when I start to get the binders together. Overall, I am so happy with my purchases. This is probably gonna be the last time I make a purchase for the cash envelopes. I think I'm good for a while. Everything I purchase will be in the description box, and I'll catch y'all in the next cash envelope stuffing. Bye y'all.